Good morning, children. I am your Bali sir. Today, I would like to explain about photosynthesis. This is the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants containing the green pigment chlorophyll build up complex organic molecules from relatively simple inorganic ones using sunlight as an energy source. This is the definition. How we can understand easily? By learning technical terms in this definition. See here, chlorophyll. It is the pigment which gives the green colors to the leaves. In this process, plants using simple inorganic ones which makes complex organic molecules. What are simple inorganic materials? Water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and water. These are simple inorganic molecules. By using these simple inorganic molecules, plants synthesize complex organic molecules like glucose. Glucose, that is C6H12O6. The simplest empirical chemical name of glucose is CH2O. This is the process. In this process, sunlight as an energy source. Sunlight only main cause to perform many chemical reactions occurs inside the chloroplast. So in this process, plants using simple inorganic ones like carbon dioxide and water, sunlight as energy source, which build up organic molecules like glucose, that is C6H12O6 or CH2O. This is the definition. Next one. Scientists had tried to find out or formulate equation of photosynthesis process. It takes nearly 200 years. In the year of 1931, C.B. Van Neel introduced the simplest equation of photosynthesis process. That is, carbon dioxide plus 2 molecules of water gives rise. Light is energy source. In the presence of chlorophyll, plants synthesize CH2O, it is glucose. In this process, it is produced H2O and it releases oxygen. This is the simplest equation of photosynthesis process, which was formulated by C.B. Van Neel in the year of 1931. Actually, the C.B. Van Neel experimented on purple sulfur bacteria. Instead of H2O, he used H2S as starting material, a raw material, H2S. In this process, instead of oxygen, it releases sulfur. That is actually experimented done by C.B. Van Neel. Here, instead of H2O, he used H2S as raw material. In this process, elemental sulfur is released instead of oxygen. Okay. Oxygen is produced by splitting of water molecules. This statement was given by Robert Hill. So this process also called as Hill's reaction. See, water molecules are splitting into two components, H plus ions, OH minus ions. This process was discovered by Hill, Robert Hill. So this is called as Hill's reaction. After that, they have given a balanced equation of photosynthesis process. That is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 12 molecules of water gives rise. Sunlight as energy source in the presence of chlorophyll pigments. Plants synthesizes glucose, that is C6H12O6. In this process, 6 molecules of water is released and oxygen is released into the atmosphere. See, carbon dioxide and water are inorganic simple substances. From this, plants synthesizes or produce or form glucose. It is the complex organic substances. Glucose is. Finally, water is released. It is used by plants. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere. This is the balanced equation of photosynthesis process. In 10th class public examination, they will mention, write a simple equation of photosynthesis process. On the time, you have to write this equation. They will ask, what is balanced equation for photosynthesis process? Then you have to write balanced equation of photosynthesis process, this one. Once again, I am going to explain with the help of diagrammatic representation. See, this one sunlight. This is chlorophyll pigments which are present in the leaves, which gives green colors to the leaves. What is getting from the soil? Carbon dioxide receives from the atmosphere. Finally, oxygen is released and water is produced, which was used by plants. This is the diagrammatic representation. Once remember, plants synthesizes food material by using sunlight as energy source in the presence of chlorophyll pigments, receiving carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, absorbs water from the soil. Plants synthesizes glucose, that is called C6H12O6. In this process, water is released, oxygen is released. For each molecule of carbohydrate, glucose, 1 molecule of water produced, 1 molecule of oxygen is formed. This is the main concept of photosynthesis process. Thank you.